Hey riders and road warriors, welcome back to Motor Heaven, where the two-wheel truth always rolls louder than the engine. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the crew that keeps it raw, real, and rubber side down. Today, we're diving into one of the oldest debates on the road: motorcycle riders versus car drivers. Who's really causing the chaos out there? Is it the aggressive rider slicing through lanes? Or the distracted driver with their eyes on TikTok instead of the road? Let's break it down. Let's be honest, motorcyclists catch a lot of heat. Reckless, too fast, lane-splitting lunatics. And yeah, there are some riders out there turning city streets into racetracks. But most of us, we ride smart. We ride defensive, because we have to. One mistake out here, and it could cost us everything. Now let's talk about car drivers. Texting, eating, doing makeup. Some people treat the road like their living room. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, distracted driving kills over 3,000 people a year in the U.S. alone. And motorcyclists are some of the most vulnerable victims. Now, hold up. Let's not act like bikers are saints. Ever seen someone pop a wheelie on the freeway? Yeah, not exactly helping the image. When riders turn public roads into stunt shows or blow past traffic laws, it makes all of us look bad and fuels the argument that motorcycles are dangerous by nature. So what's really going on here? It's not just bad riders or bad drivers. It's a lack of mutual respect and understanding. Riders feel invisible, literally and figuratively. Drivers think bikers are unpredictable. Neither side is trained to handle the other. And that's a recipe for tension on the road. So what can we do, besides arguing in comment sections? Riders, ride defensively. Stay visible. Don't feed the stereotype. Drivers, check mirrors twice. Look for bikes, not at them. Put the phone down. Seriously. Mutual respect saves lives. Period. So, car drivers, motorcycle riders, it's not just about who's right or wrong. It's about how we share the road. We all have blind spots, literally and mentally. But when we take a second to slow down, check that mirror, or ride like we want to make it home, that's when we all win. If you're a rider, you already know. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle. The wind, the road, the freedom. It's something drivers may never truly get. And that's okay. We just want them to respect it. If you've ever had a close call, or if you're a car driver who's had to slam the brakes because of a biker zipping out of nowhere, drop your story in the comments. I want to hear all sides of this. And if you're vibing with the channel, do me a solid. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow rider or driver. We're building a real community here, not just another bike blog. Until next time, stay visible, stay alert, and most of all, stay passionate about the ride. This is Motor Heaven, where the throttle never lies. Catch you in the next one.